In this video, I will show you 3 different ways you can get money on Cash App. Whether you're new to the app or just looking for a few more ways to add funds to your account, Cash App offers several options depending on what works best for you. Now, from transferring money from your bank account to receiving payments from others and earning referral bonuses, I will walk you through each method step by step. Now, the first way to get money on Cash App is by adding funds from your bank account or linked debit card. You can do that by simply tapping Add Cash. Enter the amount you would like to transfer and then confirm the transaction. The money will be added to your Cash App balance where you can use it to make payments, invest, or spend with your Cash Card. The second way is by receiving money from someone else. You can do that by tapping your profile icon in the top right corner to find your cash tag. Share it with anyone who wants to send you money, and they can search for your cash tag and send funds directly to your account. You can also use the request option to request a payment from another Cash App user. The third way is by using Cash App's referral program. You can do that by opening your profile, selecting Invite Friends, copying your referral link, and when someone signs up using your link and meets the referral requirements, both of you may be eligible to receive a referral bonus. Just keep in mind that referral rewards and eligibility requirements may vary over time, and those are the 3 simple ways to get money on Cash App. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.